Hello friends, this is Anshuman again from Kiddies. Today I'll try to make my EV3 measure some distance and read out the value allowed to me. For this we will use, of course, my EV3 brake and the IR sensor from the EV3 Mindstorm kit, Python as the programming language, and Visual Studio Code to write the code and deploy on the brake. Here's the Visual Studio Code. Before we begin, I've already installed the required EV3 extension on the Visual Studio Code. And here's the EV3 extension. My laptop and the EV3 brick is connected to my home Wi-Fi network. I will now switch on the EV3 brick. Now my brick is switched on and boot complete. Now we will connect the Visual Studio Code to the brick. Now we'll connect the brick. This is the IP address of my brick, and if the brick is successfully connected, the red color will turn into green color. Now the brick is connected. Let's create a new project. I will give my project's name as Distance Reader. This is the project which I just now created, and here's the main file where I'll write my code. This is an auto-generated code, and I don't need this part of the code, so I'll remove it. First, I will create an instance of the EV3 brick. Now I'll put a code for the EV3 brick to speak out a welcome message. Before we proceed further, we'll test this code.
Hi there, I will tell you the distance in centimeters.
Next, I'll create an instance of the IR sensor which I'll connect to sensor port 4 on the brick. Next, we are going to capture or read the value from the IR sensor which is in percentage. That will be between 0 to 100. Next, we'll print the value received from the sensor on the laptop's output console for validating. Now we'll convert the percentage value to centimeter and round it off to 2 decimal places. We found 100% is about 94 centimeter approximately. It's not accurate though. Now we print the distance value on the laptop's output console. Now we'll test this code. They will print the value which the IR sensor is measuring.
Hi there, I will tell you the distance in centimeters.
Oh, I forgot a library for this EV3 dev sensor. So I'll type it now. let's rerun the code.
Hi there, I will tell you the distance in centimeters.
It ended with an error. I made a silly mistake. I wrote printf instead of print over here.
Hi there, I will tell you the distance in centimeters.
Here's the value which the IR sensor got. Now over here we see that the program is giving the value only once. After that it's getting completed. For getting the value continuously, we have to put an endless loop. Now let's test this code.
Hi there, I will tell you the distance in centimeters.
Now as you see, the values are getting displayed fast, so I'll put a wait for that. Now we'll run the code.
Hi there, I will tell you the distance in centimeters.
Now as you see, it's waiting for 2 seconds and it's giving the value. Looks like the value is not changing. I did a mistake. I kept this part of the code outside the while loop. I need to read the sensor data within the loop. So I will cut this and paste it inside the while loop. Now let's test this code.
Hi there, I will tell you the distance in centimeters.
Now different values are coming from the sensor and I have removed the weight so the values are getting printed fast. Now we will put the last part of the code which will make the EV3 brick to speak out the value. Now let's hear the EV3 speaking out the distance.
Hi there, I will tell you the distance in centimeters. 12.22 centimeters away. 7.52 centimeters away. 0.0 centimeters away. 10.34 centimeters away. 17.86 centimeters away. 1.88 centimeters away. 3.76 centimeters away.
That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and I hope that you found this video interesting.